Hello everyone, this is Amit Dunn of AmitDunn.com. Today I'll have another episode of How To Video and I'll talk about how to delete Instagram account. So today I'll show you how to delete or disable Instagram account, but what it is that you'll not be able to delete or disable Instagram account from your phone app, which is right here. So in order to do that, you have to go to any desktop or an internet browser. So I'm going to take you to a browser, and then from there I'll show you how to disable or delete your Instagram account. Just a tip that if you do not have access to a laptop or computer, you can just go to internet browser on your phone just by opening the browser, and you can delete it from there. But from the actual Instagram app, there's no option to disable or delete Instagram account. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to disable or deactivate your account. Before you do that, you might want to save all your files on Instagram. So this would save all your pictures, messages, or anything. And in order to save all your files or folders or all your data, just go to settings, which is going to be the whole button from your profile page. You have to log on to you have to be logged in, and then once you click here, then you're going to be clicking on privacy and security, and if you click on that, then you're going to see an option on that page, data download. So if you just click on that, then here you have to just click next after entering your email, or which should be populated there, and then this would save everything on your Instagram account, for example photos, comments, or profile information, and whatever you have there. So whether you're disabling or deleting your account, this is the first step you should be doing, just to be safe. And then let's go back to the profile screen. So the first thing we're going to be doing, let's disable Instagram account. And in order to do that, when you're logged in, and then just hit edit profile, and then you're going to be coming to this page, and if you just scroll down a little bit, then the last option you'll see that temporarily disable my account. So if you just click on that, then it's just asking why you want to disable your accounts, and you have to just choose one of the reasons, and then it's going to kind of give you default answers for whatever you choose. But then if you still want to disable, then just enter your password, and then once you enter your password, then you're going to have to hit this button right here, just temporarily disable my account. So that's how you disable or deactivate your account. So now let's go back to profile page again. If you'd like to delete your account, there's no link or option from this page. You have to kind of go to a custom, you have to go to an URL to delete the account, and the URL is right here. So this is instagram.com/account/remove/request/permanent. So if I just go to this URL, which I'll be putting in the browser in the address button, and then you're going to be taken to a page where it shows delete your account. And then same like disabling account, it's going to ask you why are you deleting your account. So if you just choose an option, then it's going to ask you enter your password, and then once you enter the password, hit permanently delete my account, and then that will start the process of deleting your account, which could take up to 30 days. So once you delete your account, everything is gone. You'll not be able to retrieve any photos, comments, or anything. So best to do the downloading, which I showed you before. Just back up your account, and then you can go ahead and delete your account. So that's how you disable and delete your Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video. Forget about subscribing to this channel, forget about liking this video. There will be more videos coming up, so I'll see you shortly. Thank you.